I started off with putting my hair at the back as a ponytail. This is not a tight one because you need to protect your edges. So this is going to be very safe for your edges. And then I go fixing the front of the hair. So I'm starting off with the sides, and I'm rolling. I don't know. I'm just twisting the entire hair, and I'm not twisting like doing the 2-strand twist. I don't know if this makes sense, but yeah, so I'm just rolling the entire hair. I'm just twisting the entire hair. And here I'm just brushing. I'm not combing. I'm not detangling because you need to protect your hair from breakage. So this style is going to keep your hair neat, and it's also going to protect your edges. You're not supposed to do it too tight. Kindly don't do it too tight. You know, it's natural hair. Whatever shape and size you shape it in, it's just going to look good. So I'm just twisting the entire hair and then pinning it with a bobby pin. And I'll be doing that on the other side as well. The remaining middle section, I'm just flat twisting the hair. I'm just adding 2 huge flat twists, and then the smaller piece, I'll be twisting it. So you're just going to see what I'm talking about because it's hard to explain.
every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days.